Good mighty morning, Owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Wednesday, April 28th, 2021. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one, indivisible. Now it's time for the Owl Pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses. Each and every day, I'll close the achievement gap. We're working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my Owl Pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go Owls! Hoot, hoot! Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, Idea South Flores Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Here's some things that happened yesterday. We had amazing scholars become math masters. Woo! Keep up the good work with doing your hot spot lessons daily. Nice job, scholars. Also, we had another Royal Reader, so now we are at 50 Royal Readers. So keep going, going, going. We're going to make our goal by the end of the year. Also, scholars, remember, every day when you're in class, you should have your cameras on, you should be on mute, and you should be set up for success. That means not laying on a bed, not a blanket over your head. You should be ready for school because we want to make sure that you're learning, you're growing academically, and you're able to move to the next grade level. So, with that being said, I want you to keep in mind, every day counts. Cameras are on, you are on mute, and you are participating in class. All right, scholars, it's a great day to learn. Have a great day. Hoot, hoot!